YouTube, listen, family, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fish. I got a homework assignment for you guys, so please lock in. It's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be one that just allow you to go on your own journey so you understand why I'm showing you what I'm showing you. Okay, listen, man, if you made money today, do me a favor. Please let me know down in the comments below. I told you the levels for the SPY and what will happen today if we got rejected at resistance. Hopefully you guys knocked it out the park. Let me know all about it. Regardless, I want to hear whether you won, whether you lost, because it's all part of the journey. As always, I got a jam-packed video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, I'm gonna teach you two things on today. One, write this down. Number one, it's not in this order, but one will be a death cross. I want to teach you about the power and the significance of a death cross and why you have to be on guard for the bull trap, as well as dead cat bounces and moves like you saw happen today. Don't mean we won't get a pop. Don't mean we won't have a recovery, but you need to know that they're just setting up for the next one, where there is some news that come out of nowhere, whether it's planned or what have you. And the other thing is this right here. Okay, check it out. Today, you guys know Coach will always walk you through transparently how I get busy in the market. Everybody check this out. This was a Tesla 250 put for today. Okay, the expiration date is 4/17. Everybody, this is the assignment. This is the teaching you how to fish part. Okay, I'm not ever showing you this for no other reason than teaching purposes. I can care less. I want to teach you a skill that can change your life. I told you guys I'm a 2-hour-a-day trader. This is one reason why I say I'm one of the best, if not the best, simply because what your favorite trader can do in a whole year, I can do in under 2 hours. Walk through this though. It's not even about that. Everybody find submitted. I got this play at 9:37, okay? So the homework assignment, the teaching you how to fish part, go to Tesla chart, go to the 1 minute time frame. Everybody write this down because you need to see, where is Coach buying? How does he make this money in this short of time so I can replicate it myself? It's all about you, okay? Go find 9:37. Go look at where I had to get into this play at. And then look at where it filled at, 9:54. So I was in this play for under 20 minutes, okay? The realized profit was over $10,000, okay? And I rinsed and repeated this. The market, this is what I'm talking about, making 100K in a day, 30K in a day, 50K in a day, but we're being humble. This don't take a day. This be happening within 2 hours, but I just want to keep it contained. I just want to show you one simple play, a $10,000 play under 20 minutes, but I do this every single day. Now, I teach in the Discord to wait the first 30 minutes. But guys, when you get a handle on this thing, you can jump in there and get your money and get up out of there within 30 minutes like I do, okay? But check this out, 9:37, go look at where Tesla was at within that range, 9:37 to around 9:45, 9:50. Look at where I had to get in at, okay? And then look at 9:54 is where I exited at. So you can see what I'm doing, where the money is being made. That's your homework assignment. I want to teach you how to fish. So when I show you this, I come on here every day and show you your own peers' victories, their testimonials, but then I show you what I did for the day, okay? You know it's me. I'm the only person in the world that trade 100 or 200 contracts every trade. That's the thing that sets me apart. I don't need no leaps to do this. I can just run it up within 2 hours. I don't even need the whole 2 hours most times. And I don't care about the market. I don't care about a crash, a recession, a correction, none of that. 9:37, go find where the stocks was at within that range, that 15-minute window, 9:35 to 9:45, okay? And then 9:54. Do that for me so I can show you guys how to fish, all right? That is that. Okay, now listen to this. I got the chart pulled up here. This is the SPY, okay? I need you guys to find the 200-day moving average, which will be the black line, okay? And I would just simply say you can look around 573.40 But I want you to look and find to the far right, 573.40, and then look at what aligns with that. Look at how the moving average indicators, the 1348, and I have the 55, how those are starting to point down. This is called the death cross. Whenever the lines come crossing the 200, this is what they mean when they talk about a death cross, okay? So that's just a signal to technical traders like myself that we are going down, okay? We knew this is how we tell you guys to buy puts. This is why we tell you watch out for the bull trap, because we know once those lines cross down, okay, these lines right here, everybody see those three lines, are really the purple line and the blue line, okay? When that does what that's doing, that tells us the play is going down, all right? So again, guys, always understand and know that. Okay, we back in our bag really quickly, guys. A quick lesson for those of you that have not yet mastered puts. Okay, look at the SPY. Okay, SPY, it was down over 2% today, probably down a little bit more than that before that little fluke dead cat bounce at the end of the day. $11.88. Okay, if you ever see the stock going down, you buy the SQQQ. When the market was going down, the SQQQ was going up 9%. This is life-changing when you are able to see, okay, boom, stocks are crashing. I need to jump into the SQQQ. Let me know if that's understood. Stocks are crashing. You don't have to sit in this all the time. I'm just talking about temporary pops, temporary moves, temporary moments, okay? You jump into the SQQQ, you ride it up, because it'll be just like doing a call. It'll just be like buying shares. And that's the thing, guys. You can buy shares of this, you can buy calls of this, either or. But the whole goal is to get in and get out. Get in and get up out of there. Get your money and get up out of there, okay? And so in this particular case, when the market crashed, the SQQ went up. When this start going back down, you're going to know the SPY is headed back higher, okay? So listen, guys, Coach just wanted to put these couple lessons on you guys today, as well as love on you and continue to encourage you, man. Listen, navigating a stock market crash, the thing about it, it comes with a lot of unforeseen events. Like, for instance, the pre-market, they got Nvidia down. Nvidia bought the rest of the stock market down, tech stocks particularly, okay? Then later on in the day, Jerome Powell came out and said, man, I ain't helping Trump. I ain't helping this administration. I don't care how bad the market get. I'm not doing nothing for the stock market. Boom. Market didn't like to hear that. They didn't like to know that they don't have a J Powell put. We already ain't seen the Trump put. They ain't got a J Powell put now. So what did that do? Crash the stocks even more. But the one thing you got to keep in mind, once they keep doing all this manipulation and all this buffoonery, eventually the market gets hip to it, okay? And then these events stop having the impact. So don't get bear trapped. You got to go with what they're doing. You got to go with the flow. Don't go against the trend. Don't go against the grain, okay? But you don't overstay your welcome either, though, because it's not going to stay going down forever. One day they're going to come on and try to say something about tariffs, and the market going to be like, we don't care about that. One day Jerome Powell going to come on there and try to crash the market. They're going to be like, man, get out of here. We don't care about that. We're going to brush that off. We're going to go down for 2 seconds. Boom, boom, then shoot right back up. Boom, boom, shoot right back up, okay? So please understand and know these things about the market. Last thing before we get up out of here. If you are in the market, whether you're investing or trading, guys, please have CNBC on. If you were by a TV, whether you're on your iPad streaming, whether you're on a computer, if you got a TV in the vicinity, have it on CNBC while you're trading. You should have CNBC on. You should have your charts pulled up, and then you should be trading on your phone. You should be having those 3 things working simultaneously, okay? Because you need to see when the breaking news happen, because you can see the exact moment the stock market crash, or if it's going to pop, you can see the moment that it pops, okay? And so please don't be out here in the market without having the tube on CNBC or your iPad or your phone. Something need to be on there so that you can keep up with what's going on. Okay, listen, man, coach ain't gonna hold you guys up to date. Everybody be in the Discord. We got to get busy tomorrow. You know, I don't care what they doing. We're gonna put the smackdown on Tesla. We're gonna put the smackdown on the SPY. Okay, get in the Discord first thing in the morning. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.